Hello, and welcome back to our channel, where we talk about how to take care of our health and well-being. Today's topic is the top 10 things that happen to your body when you stop smoking. Millions of people around the world are addicted to smoking, and if they don't quit, it can lead to major health problems. But don't worry, we're here to show you why stopping smoking is a good idea, so let's get started. Better breathing. It only takes a few days for your breathing to get better after you quit smoking. Why? Because cigarettes contain chemicals that are bad for you and make your lungs hurt and inflamed. When you stop smoking, your lungs slowly start to heal themselves, and it becomes easier and more natural to breathe. More energy. Smoking not only wears out your lungs, but it also lowers the amount of oxygen in your blood, which can make you feel tired and slow. But once you quit smoking, your body will finally be able to take in more air, giving you more energy and making it easier to concentrate. Better smell and taste. Did you know that smoking dulls your sense of smell and taste? When you smoke, the cells in your olfactory nerves don't work as well, which changes your sense of smell and taste. But don't worry, giving up smoking can lead to a great physical experience in the long run. Brighter skin. Smoking can make your skin break out, get dry, wrinkle, and have an odd color. If your skin doesn't get enough air and vitamins, it can start to look tired and dull. But your face gets a new start when you stop smoking. You'll start to look better, and your face will start to look brighter and healthier. Smoking hurts the cilia, which are tiny hair-like structures that line our passageways and help get rid of germs and bacteria from our lungs. But when you stop smoking, your cilia will start to work better and make more mucus. This makes it less likely that you will get a lung infection or other respiratory sickness. Smoking is one of the main reasons why people get heart disease and stroke. But if you stop smoking, your chance of getting heart disease goes down, and your heart and blood valves start to work better. So, quit smoking and start living with a healthy heart. Better dental health. Smoking can make your teeth yellow, cause cavities, gum disease, and even make you lose teeth. But when you stop smoking, your mouth has a chance to get better. So, if you quit, you can say goodbye to bad breath and stained teeth. Less chance of getting cancer. Smoking is one of the main things that can cause cancer. Studies show that giving up smoking lowers the risk of getting lung, throat, and other types of cancer by a lot. So, if you want to live a few more years, why not quit smoking today? Better mental health. Did you know that smoking can make you feel anxious and sad? Nicotine can make you addicted and dependent, which can make you want to smoke and change your mood. But your mental health gets better when you stop smoking, which gives you more peace of mind. Last but not least, let's not forget that smoking has an effect on the people around you. People who live with smokers also have a chance of getting sick. Quitting smoking is good for you, but it's also good for the people around you because it makes the world cleaner and happy. So, there you have it, folks. The top 10 things that happen to your body when you quit smoking. We hope that after reading this, you'll be motivated to stop smoking for your own health. Sake. It's not easy to stop smoking, but it's well worth the effort. By doing this, your physical and mental health will get better, and you'll be one step closer to never smoking again. Don't wait any longer, decide to quit smoking today.